How to use speech-to-text in VideoPad. Place your clip on the timeline, then go to the Audio tab and click the Speech-to-Text button. Adjust the text style and formatting as needed using the preview window. Click Apply to generate and add the text to your project. Continue watching for more details on how to use speech-to-text in VideoPad. The speech-to-text feature in VideoPad allows you to automatically generate text from an audio or video clip, making it useful for captions, subtitles, or transcripts. To begin, place your clip on the timeline and make sure it contains clear audio for accurate transcription. You can open the speech-to-text dialog by going to the Audio tab and clicking the Speech-to-Text button. In the dialog, customize how the generated text will appear. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment, and apply styles such as bold, italic, or underline. The preview window lets you see your changes instantly. You can also enable additional styling options like outline or a background color. Simply select the Show Outline or Show Background checkboxes, then select your preferred colors. To save time in the future, select the checkbox for Set as Default and do not show this dialog. For a copy of the transcription, use the Download Transcript button to save it as a text file. After reviewing your settings and preview, simply click Apply to generate and add the text to your project. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.